Yo, today I have a cat with me. Honey. There we go. Obligatory cat. Cat cameo. This is a purple package from Kyle. I begged him to send this to me. I said I will review the shit out of it and send it right back. He's got all the good stuff. We have this group chat going and he's like, I like this, this, and this, and I think I'm gonna sell this. I'm like, bro, please. Throw his sister a bone. Throw his sister a bone. Send this shit to me so that I can review it and send it back to you. He taped the shit out of it. God damn. Oh, I guess it's overflowing. The one in here that I'm really, really excited about is the travel slider. I didn't buy it because I thought that it would be too slippery. It's supposed to look like those suitcase type things. Damn, no. It's good. Oh, shit. Ain't no ASMR about this bitch. Holy fuck. Bro. We're getting somewhere. Got it. Okay. Oh my god. Smells like Kyle. Okay. What do we got here? Oh my god, he sent a lot of stuff. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Ooh, this is a 3D printed one from Rayge, I think? It's like the clamshell or something. Oh, that's weird. The Ono roller. Oh yes, actually. When I saw him, it's just a ball that you roll around. When I saw him with this, I'm like, bro, that looks weird. It is nice. I'm gonna flip it all around and show you guys. Oh my god, look. This is the pie version of, god, it looks like a piece. It's like so freaking light. Of the new top B metal toys. Actually, I'll say as far as their PEI sliders go, this one probably works the best. Very nice. We got GAO Studio. He said he hated this one and then he screwed with it. Oh. Sounds like when somebody is like wearing jeans and their legs rub. Ooh. I don't know, it's kind of chalkboardy to me. This is, oh god, that's nice. What is this thing? I forget. Are these from G1? Okay, what else do we got here? This is, I think this is the same thing as, no, it's not. Another track slider. What is this? Oh, the main event. Okay. He's already sold this to somebody, so I'm supposed to send it to them. Not as amazing as I thought it would be. Cat, move! And then I've got one last thing here. Oh, okay. Here's a 01 EDC Studio slider. Oh yeah, this one's pretty nice. This cat. Can you move? I know, I love you too. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys. Here she be. I actually brought my metal toy slider out to show you guys what the original one looked like. They've got a lot. I actually like this one so much that I sold my Zerk bubble because I feel like these have a lot better grip and better playability. I don't know. They're a lot smaller, but the bubbles were nice, but it was kind of, they only moved like up to here. This has a lot bigger range of motion. Way lighter. This feels like something you'd, like a paper clip almost. But a little bit more of a plastic sound. Actually very nice. The nicest PEI metal toys thing that I've seen so far. Wow. Very nice. I'm impressed with this. Beautiful too. Okay. I'm not sure what everything is. I know obviously this is GAO. Track slider. He's got some tape here. I know he messed with this. I'm not exactly sure what he did with it. It's almost springy. It's okay, but I don't really like that swishing sound. But the texture feels really good in the hand. I think this is aluminum. I like the fact that it's not, like, it's easy to slide. Sometimes you don't want a ton of feedback. Like for instance, I just reviewed. You hear? It's more like a. Well, it's probably because this is mechanical and this is magnet. Okay, this I think is a knockoff from like Amazon. It's okay. It's decent. You can do the little thumb drive thing with it. But this would be a good gift for like a kid, I think. I don't know. I mean, it works well. It's just not that impressive. Oh, this is also GAO. Okay, cool. Okay. So these are both GAO. This reminds me of that slider. This is like a version of Pi, I think. Who makes this thing? Oh, I've seen this. I wish this went further up. Oh, this almost looks like the, God, I'm having such brain farts. This is very satisfying. I'll say this one is definitely worth it. It's got a lot of grip. I'm gonna put links for everything. I love the design. Definitely well built. Fits in the hand really nice. It's a little awkward to use it. I just feel like it should move a little bit better. Like I can't find a good flow. Like I want to move it right now like this. That's fun. Oh, I think it's because I think I have to hold it this way. Sometimes the post really makes a difference. Well, I like it. It's a little awkward, but I really love it. Feels like almost Worrystone-ish. And it's very interesting looking. I would actually recommend this one. Sounds really good too. The Ono Roller. I think this one came from like the same people that did those knuckle ones, the knuckle rollers. You could put trits in here. Those like glow in the dark thing. This is oddly satisfying. super quiet. If you like the motion of, look at the ball that just moves around in there. Super smooth. Actually really nice. Okay, we've got the 01 EDC Studio. It doesn't go both ways, which is a little strange. It's almost like that CP2 that I have. Fun thing, Mackie turned into 01. Feels really good in the hands, kind of heavy. I like the size of it. It's got a real, like, echoey metal sound. You hear that? Feels really good in the hand though. I love the design. Very nice. This thing. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, so it's a clicker, but then you can also flip it this way. And then what else? Can you slide it? Use it like a slider too? Oh, that doesn't work too well. All right, yeah, this is all right. It's decent. I'd say I like this part the best. I think this is from Rayge3D. Yeah, this part's cool. Okay. This thing is really nice. Sounds amazing. Wow. Go both ways. Feels really good in the hand. Looks amazing. I gotta say, PEI has come a long way. I wasn't really a huge fan of these ring spinner things, but this thing is amazing. I would actually buy this thing. Look how cool it looks too. Wow. And then the travel. Okay, so this is polished Zerk. Looks like it's got Zerk plates that are textured. Kyle said that there's your hand slide a little bit on this thing. It's got a good sound to it. Magnet strength's pretty good. Can do a nice amount of tricks with it. Shit. It feels a little sticky. Holy fuck. Heavy though, really fucking heavy. Like as heavy as this big chunker. I love the design of it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It's just a little small. I'd say like the breakthrough, a little bit of a better shape to it. I think it's because it's not long, but it's meant to look like a suitcase. I like the design a lot. Shit. I guess I'm not used to this shape. It's a little square. A little sticky. Okay. Recommendations. Yes, this thing is the bomb. Yes, this thing is the bomb. If you like roller type things, I like this. It's got something about it. Like, it's a little awkward to use, but just like the smoky kind of look to it. It's like cool as fuck. Really like the design, so I would definitely recommend this. I don't like the sound. I love the design. It feels really great in the hand. Good size, but yeah, it's like a metal echo. So I would not recommend that. This again, it's hard because I'm only reviewing it quickly. I'm not going to keep this. He's already sold it to somebody, so I got to send it out. Plus, I don't want to fuck it up by dropping it 1,000 more times. I mean, I like it, but it's really heavy. It's kind of awkward shaped. But it feels amazing in your hand, though. No hot spots. It looks like that piece of luggage. And actually, this is not as slippery as I thought it would be. Got a nice amount of crunch to it. Plates are a tiny bit sticky, but not bad. So I think it would probably grow on me. I don't like this. It sounds like a whooshing sound. If this thing was like 20 bucks, then yeah. But I don't know. These kinds of things have to really blow me away. Or have like an added twist to it. This thing I think is supposed to be pretty cheap. A little awkward to use. I'm not sure if I would recommend that. So I would say no's. I would say maybes and yes. So that's it. Thank you, Kyle, again. And thank you guys for watching.